Chef Pachi.
With Chef Pachi, we are now going to make some amazing cookies for babies, toddlers, and even teens or moms if you want. They do not have any sugar. They are somewhat sweet because they have roasted blueberries, but they are amazing. So the basic ingredients: oats, oil. I use olive oil, but don't use extra virgin olive oil because you're going to lose the flavor of the vanilla because it's very strong. An egg and a roasted banana. We roast it in the oven. We are going to add our blueberries that we cooked with some lime peel and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Here we have some cinnamon too, just a pinch. And some fresh blueberries that we're going to use to decorate at the end. Now, we are ready to process everything. Our blueberries should be already cooled. They are perfect. And we roasted them to make them sweeter and to lose some of the liquid that they have. Okay, so here we go. This is our basic cookie batter. Which is going to go into the bowl. And now we're going to add our blueberries. Let's go ahead and add our blueberries. They're still a little bit warm, but since we are going to put our dough in the refrigerator before we make the cookies, it doesn't much matter. Back with my forks. These are more exciting for the kids because they are pink and they don't know why they're pink or purplish. They are soft. They won't cook to a hard, crispy cookie. No, these are soft cookies so that babies can bite them easily and they can eat them without a problem. So here we have our dough ready to go into the fridge. You see that there's no more oats in the bottom? No. And this is it. Now they're going to the fridge. We'll take out the other ones and scoop them out into baking pans. our cookies came out of the fridge, and like you can see, we can now handle them easily. I'm going to use a scoop in any case because it's easier for me to do it than to just measure them otherwise. Now there is a way to flatten them when they're not totally cold. And you just put your hands in water and press, and it doesn't stick to you. This way we're going to cook these with the other ones at the same time, and then I'm going to finish with the rest. Here we have our blueberry cookies, baby cookies, toddler cookies, and everyone cookies without sugar. And here we have our chocolate chip cookies that don't have sugar. It is unsweetened chocolate that doesn't have much sugar. Actually, it has less than unsweetened. And you can do it with a chocolate bar that is 0 sugar, 100% cocoa, and put them inside. Use them as chips. Use some water. Okay, so now let me finish with the last ones, and we will put them in the oven. I'm going to flatten them, even though I'm going to put them in the fridge, because I'm only going to bake those 2. They are cold. They were in the fridge for 10 minutes or 15, but they're not super cold like yesterday's ones, that you can manage them easily and make a roll.
So check them out. They are absolutely beautiful right out of the oven with all delicious blueberries and oats. Chef Pachi.